Putting an order to the exponentially increasing information clutter is essential for keeping a quality management system, or even staying relevant in business. The quality management system element that addresses this issue is called data management, which in a broader context infers the management of all business-related information. By definition, this is the development, execution and supervision of plans, policies, programs and practices that control, protect, deliver and enhance the value of data and information assets. Our solution addresses and covers to a different extent the following topics from the Data Management Association body of knowledge framework, which I would like to outline. Data security management, database management, data quality management, data warehousing and business intelligence management, data governance, reference and master data management, data architecture, analysis and design, document, record and content management. Introducing an enterprise content management system is an intrinsic part of information management. Let's throw in some stats, obtained from reputed sources, on productivity, efficiency, data loss and environmental impact. 70% of a white-collar worker's time is spent processing papered documents. 60% of an average employee's day is spent working with records and documents, in one form or another. Information management brings up to 18% increase in productivity and staff engagement, as well as 25 to 33% improvement in customer service levels from customer-facing staff. Up to a fifth of all documents is misfiled and subsequently recovered, at a great expense, or altogether lost. For lost documents, companies pay a cost of searching of up to 6 times the value of the original document. Each year, the average worker uses more paper than his own weight, especially since the average document gets copied a staggering 19 times within its life cycle inside the enterprise. The improvements from implementing an enterprise content management system are along these lines. Reports state more than 400% return on investment within 5 years from adopting such a system, with 57% of users reporting a payback in 18 months or less. In a document management structure similar to a file system, documents get stacked in folders, where each has equal priorities, and a fixed precedence, based on inherent properties such as date, name, or size. In practice, these properties never correspond to the organic flow of documents, processes and resources in the enterprise. Such flows are governed by complex interactions within the organization and with the outside world, thus a document system that can reliably follow and abstractly represent them is essential for maintaining the data management element of a quality management system. A structure where each document resides among equals is an intrinsically linear, or one-dimensional representation that can hardly serve a purpose beyond simple file storage. In contrast, a tree diagram, or a two-dimensional representation, is determined by the respective document's place in the flow, which is explicitly assigned for each particular case. In tree diagram terms, any document can be either a root, where the flow starts, a node, where the flow branches out, or a leaf, where that particular flow ends. Links to any specific document can be either appended, or inserted multiple times at different levels, or in separate diagrams, depending on its place in each instance. Every document is described by 2 sets of metadata. The first comprises the structural hierarchical metadata, determined by the document's relations to other documents and folders. This set constitutes the building block of the data structure and information flow. The second set is the descriptive metadata, which specifies the document type, version, status, etc. This metadata adds substantial value to both the documents and the flow, by interpreting the raw contents from the business perspective. Through metadata synthesis, patterns begin to emerge, and conclusions can be made, thus helping the user see the forest through the trees. The system that turns information into insights is Flowganiser.